You become very profitable in arbitrage trading through compounding profits. So in this video, I will show you a strategy I use to compound profits in arbitrage trading using the Binance exchange. Now, I say Binance exchange specifically because for Binance exchange, that's where I make money through triangular arbitrage. And this strategy has to do with triangular arbitrage. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share this video to those that might be interested in them. And let's dive right in. The only type of arbitrage that I use that doesn't stress me is triangular arbitrage, because everything I have to do is done inside one exchange. I don't have to move funds. I don't have to risk the possibility of losing funds in transit because I put in the wrong address. I don't have to even think about which exchange and what not exchange that is allowed in my country, right? One exchange covers it all, and that's why I love triangular arbitrage. So if you are looking into arbitrage trading and you are thinking of the one to actually focus on, you can give triangular arbitrage a shot, right? So now let's find the opportunity I'm trying to exploit in this particular video. I show you this strategy that actually makes me money now, right? So first things first, I will have to say that for triangular arbitrage, the more capital you have is the advantage, basically, right? Unlike other types of arbitrage where you need smaller amounts, triangular arbitrage has to do with a lot of capital for you to actually see profits. Now, when I say compounding, it means those small profits you make, you have to compound it over time, because in triangular arbitrage, the price might correct within minutes or it might take longer, right, before the price corrects. So that's how we make money. So let's find this project called Quantum, right? Now you can see the expected price difference here is obvious, right? There's nothing like it's not real, it's not this one, it's not that one, right? You can see the price is actually different in these two pairs. Now the first pair is Quantum USDC. Now the other one is Quantum USDT. These two, USDC, USDT, are stable coins. You can send your money into each of them without any fee in Binance, right? You can just convert. If you have money on USDT, convert it to USDC because you want to use USDC to purchase. But if you are looking for another arbitrage where you need USDT, then you convert it to USDT and use it to purchase down to USDC. So the triangular arbitrage here is you have to move through 3 different places, from the USDC to the Quantum, then back to USDT, where you find out whether you made profit or not. So obviously here we'll be making our trade based on what we are seeing. Now what you are seeing here is the smaller one, where the money is actually cheaper, is the USDC. So if you have your money in USDC, you go ahead and purchase this, right? But with this much stock I've made, you can see the price has corrected, obviously, and though it's still profitable, I think the price difference is still there, but it's not like one I saw it at 0.911. Now 0.911 is far back here. You can see it's here. So the current price now is 0.915 that we can buy instantly, right? Unless you are trying to wait it out and see if price will still go down. But if you are buying it now, you have to go ahead with this, obviously. Remember, we're trying to find a way we compound this profit. So obviously the price difference isn't that much. So what we will do is to buy at a price where at a higher amount, with a higher amount, where we can actually see more profits. Now this in turn will make us buy with at least $1,000 for this particular price, $1,000, right? So if you're buying with $1,000 at this current price of 0.915, 0.1915 or 0.1916 right now, right? So let's buy at 0.916 because you're trying to buy instantly. The price keeps correcting. That's the thing with arbitrage opportunities. If you waste time, it corrects. Obviously, that's just it. So let's just check if it's still exploitable. If it's not, we move on to the next. But if it is, at least even if it's a little bit, then we can actually go ahead with it, right? So let's go over to USDT and see the price difference. So the price on USDT is still 0.919, but the price where we are buying it at is the problem, right? Because there's no more exploitable price difference anymore. It has corrected, right? So obviously this is no longer profitable, because if you are saying, well, let's sell it off at this current price, which is this, we'll be making much profit. We're making just $3, and with $1,000 profit, the profit margin is, next to none, right? So it's not even worth going ahead with. Let me even check the volatility in this and the volumes and all that. So we have 24 hours volume, which is 194,000, and well, it's actually very volatile. There's liquidity here, so it's not even something we can debate on. The buyers and the sellers, you can see the price difference, 50 49 ish, but the actual problem is the current price we're expecting it at is not actually profitable anymore. So with the $2, I'll call this not profitable at this point, right? Because we won't put in the gas fee, right? If we put in the gas fee, this is 0.75 cents on the fee, estimated fee. We do it the last two times, that $1.4, let me say $1.5, then the profits will be $1.5. It doesn't make sense anymore, right? But the price we saw it at 15, 19, 20, right? It could be more reasonable if the price is 0.923. But if you say let you wait for that, that means you're not doing arbitrage again. You are trading, right? That means you're trading. Arbitrage should be instant. Anything that will make you keep money for long, don't try it, bro. Right? You are meant to sell instantly, buy instantly, sell instantly, make a profit and move on. If it's not that, that's why we stimulate first of all, right? So while we are still in the topic of trading, we'll be starting our challenge where we fund our futures wallet with $10, $20, whatever you have. I'll be funding with $10 actually. Then I'll be sending the signals in the Telegram platform and the WhatsApp group. If you're not in those places, try and join. This week we are getting started. We are going to fund there, and every update I get on the trade, I'll send it in the platform for free. Right? It's free. So you're basically getting the updates for free if you're in the community. So we are trying this challenge to see if you can actually blow the account, that the $10, or double it and see where it goes from there, right? So if you're interested in that, join the Telegram community, the WhatsApp community. That's where I'll be sending the signals at for free, right? So we can actually fund this. We'll be sending some funds to the futures area. You can use whichever account you like. You can use any account you like. So let me just remove this from the N area. Any money you have here, it will be sent to the N area. I don't know why. So I want to transfer some of the money to the what is it called? To futures maximum, depending on what you have there. Right. So let's see how this goes, bro. So if, like I said, if you're interested, join the community. It's for free. Every update I get, I'll be sending it free on the channel, and I'll update you guys on the YouTube as well, so you won't be left out. So this is something I want to do for the community, for you guys subscribing. And we're almost at 1,500 subscribers on YouTube, and that's interesting actually. So doing this for free for you guys, if you're interested, you can actually lock in with me on this journey, right? So yeah, that's basically. If I need the help, please like, subscribe, and share with those that are actually interested in this type of content that I do. And yeah, let's go.